Hello everyone, join me. Let's make the easiest and softest cake on the internet with zero stress. All you need is just 6 pots and a blender. Let me show you how to make it. All you need is 1 pot of milk, 1 pot of egg, 1 pot of vegetable oil, 1 pot of sugar, 2 pots of all-purpose flour, 1 sachet of baking powder and 1 sachet of vanilla sugar. Then your blender. 1 pot in this case is equal to 200 ml or 200 grams. We will start by adding the egg, the sugar, the vanilla sugar and the vegetable oil into the blender. Then we blend for 2 minutes. Next, we add the milk and the flour and blend for an additional 30 seconds. Next, we add the baking powder and blend for just 5 seconds. Now that all our ingredients are properly incorporated, it's time to transfer the batter to your baking pan. You get your baking pan, layer it with parchment paper and transfer the batter to it. Tap gently to remove the air bubbles. Then we bake in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And with this recipe, you've made a very delicious cake that you can use for breakfast. This cake is very soft, it is very easy to make, and it doesn't require any stress. If you have made it this far, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also, feel free to share the recipe with your loved ones. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your questions, about your suggestions, or whatever thing you think about the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.